have something to tell you. You're never going to believe this, but this is cause for celebration. Stop what you're doing right now. We need to get into this. I got the infamous text message from my SA. I'm gonna go through the entire story here because you are not gonna believe this. I actually reached out and mentioned that I'd planned to swing by the store because I wanted to pick up a little something for my garden party, which I just purchased online through ShengShou. I'll include all the details for you guys below. If you haven't already signed up for ShengShou, you are missing out. You can use my code to sign up for a profile, create an account, and get hourly notifications about Hermès drops on different products. You can customize what you receive notifications for, anything from handbags to belts to accessories to rodeos, Pegasus, you name it. You can customize everything. I've had a profile with them for over a month now, and it's been going extremely well. Thanks to ShengShou, I was able to snag this little beauty here, which is my Garden Party 30 and my Pegasus to go with it. But I got the text message. I exchanged greetings, said to my SA, hey, I am planning on swinging by, wanted to see if you would be available, wanted to pick up a little something. I was just thinking of getting a Twilly, maybe another rodeo, maybe another Pegasus. Just wanted to browse, see, maybe a scarf. I don't know. Let me know when you're in. I'll make plans to come in on that day because I only want to shop with them. About 4 hours later, I get a text message from said SA. Hey, if you can, come by on this day or that day. I want to show you something. And I, of course, in shock, responded with like the bug eyes. So I went in today, and let's just say we got a little something something. Now, I'm not going to bore you with all the details of my entire Hermès journey, but I will link all the videos that are associated with my Hermès journey, including my first time shopping inside the boutique, down below in the description box. So if you want to follow the entire journey, it's all there. It's all laid out. It will actually be 1 year since I was first offered my first Quota bag, which is my Birkin 30. Here we are. Here we are. I am one lucky girl. Now, I'm so curious to know what you guys are guessing is in this box. I'm gonna wait. Drop it down below. Drop it. Include it in the comment section. What do you guys think this is? Because it is not what I thought it would be. I was in utter shock. I'm still in shock. I am like, I'm having a pinch me moment. I'm having a pinch. I will probably have a pinch me month. I still can't get over what is inside this box. I had the honor of bringing my sweet friend FJ with me. We had such an amazing time. We spent the day shopping. We got there and there was a little bit of a wait outside, maybe a few minutes. We were escorted inside. My SA was busy attending another client, which I said no worries. We browsed. My friend was able to pick up a little something as well. I was able to snag something in addition to this, but I still cannot get over it. So my SA asked if we wanted anything to drink. I said no. Brought us into the room, the infamous room. They updated us on a policy change where now if they're offering you a Quota bag, they need to validate that your identification matches with the credit card that you'll be paying with if you are paying by card. The manager came in, validated my ID, my credit card, everything tied out. They asked me if I knew what I was being offered. I said no, and even the manager was like, you're going to be beside yourself. This is such a rare and hard to come by piece. This is so hard to find. It is the only one my SA has ever held or seen in person. They've never received an item of this kind before. So at this point, my excitement is through the roof because I have no idea what they're offering me. I had sent quite a few wish list items to my SA. I like to make things very visual, so I typically will create a vision board on Canva for my wish list, and I will provide images of the exact size, colorway, leather, hardware of the exact bag that I want, and underneath each picture add the exact color, size, hardware combination. It makes it very easy for my SA. They can look at it and very easily put it into my wish list. They have the visual readily available in our text history if they need to refer to it. I had added another item on my wish list, which was my number 1, and after giving it some thought, maybe about 6 months later, I had seen this piece and I'd seen it online on Instagram on influencers and pictures, and I thought, wow, I know it's going to be impossible to come by, but I'm going to add it to my list because why not? So I updated my wish list and sent it to my SA, and my SA mentioned to me, thank goodness you happened to add this to your list, because had you not added it, this piece would have come and gone, which means I would have never been offered this piece. It was not the number 1 item on my wish list, but I did let my SA know that if you do come across this piece, I will take this piece over anything else on my wish list. Guys, they got the piece. It was the only one in the store, and I still can't believe that they offered it to me. I'm beside myself. So they stepped out, they went to get the piece. They came back in, they brought it in. My friend FJ was kind enough to take footage and record my reaction, which I will include for you guys, along with images of the bag. I still can't believe it. I'm like, pinch me. After I got my bag, we made a whole day of it. We walked around, we spent our time in the city, we browsed, we shopped, we had lunch to celebrate. We ended up toasting with a glass of champagne. We both indulged in pasta, and you know, you have to just celebrate life's little luxuries. But I am done for the year. You better believe it. I am done for the next 12 months. We are officially on Ban Island. Me and my bags are on Ban Island. So there will be no more luxury shopping for the remainder of this year, with the exception of, I don't know, maybe like little tiny little luxuries. We're gonna go ahead and get into this because I still can't believe it. We're gonna unbox. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Pardon me if I seem like I'm being sarcastic. I still cannot believe it. I have no words. Oh my gosh. Are you ready for this? I was not ready. I was not at all prepared for this. I did get a twilly for it. Guys, it is a shoulder Birkin in a taupe with gold hardware. This is the Evercolor Shoulder Birkin, light 29. Look at this stunning beauty. I'm still in just complete and utter shock. How stunning is she? No, she does not fit on my shoulder. I will carry her in the crook of my arm. I will carry her top handle very happily. I will carry her like Tamara does. Look at how absolutely, utterly stunning this beauty is. We're gonna open her up together and take off the stickers. Okay. So my SA, again, mentioned this is the first time they had ever seen one in person. This is the only one they received in store. I am honored and flattered and grateful that they offered it to me. This bag is just a beauty. This is the inside of the bag, fully open. She's about half the size of a Birkin. And if you guys want a full side-by-side comparison of this shoulder Birkin compared against my 30, please comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know. It's got a front pocket. It doesn't have the back zipper pocket that my Birkin 30 has, but it does have this back little pocket. It does come with the keys here, and it's nice and spacious inside. It has the 4 feet on the bottom. This leather, this Evercolor leather, is just amazing. It is grainy but wipeable with just a hint of shine. It is perfect. It's okay, I had to stop filming because my memory card ran out of memory. So here we are back on another memory card. This is the beauty. Let's open up the keys. There's the keys. Perfect, just perfection. Now, I did choose this twilly, and my SA was kind enough to have the twilly added for me. Now, because it's summer, I think this twilly is going to be perfect for fall and probably something that I will wear in the fall and winter months, but I will probably remove the twilly and just wear it with no twilly, or I will get a different twilly with a pop of color, maybe pink or yellow. I would love a yellow with this. I think a yellow would look so beautiful, like a pastel yellow. So I think I'm going to take my time looking for a twilly for the summer months. For now, she is so ready for the fall. So let's go ahead and remove the stickers. And we'll removing the sticker on the lock is the one I always find the hardest. Last time, I think on the Birkin 30, I used tweezers just to pull it off without making it worse. And I'm going to pull off the stickers here. I did end up picking up a little something else. They did not have it available in store in the colorway that I wanted, so they are going to ship it to me. The Mini Kelly was and still is on my wish list. Originally, when I went into the store, I thought that's what they were offering me. I thought it was either going to be a Birkin 25 or a Mini Kelly. Never in my wildest dreams that I think it was going to be the Shoulder Birkin. But lo and behold, my essay came through. She's just wonderful. She just truly is wonderful. I am so lucky. I wanted to give you a little bit of history on the Shoulder Birkin. So the Shoulder Birkin is a design that they pulled from the archives. This bag was designed by Jean-Paul Gaultier. It was launched in 2005 and discontinued around 2008. The original retail price in the mid-2000s was $7,000 to $9,000. The current resale market, it goes for upwards of $10,000 to $16,000 plus. It's easier to carry than a standard Birkin due to the longer straps. It has a slouchy, casual luxe vibe. Discontinued, which makes it more collectible. It's loved by fashion insiders and stylists for its vintage allure. It's also known as the JPG Shoulder Birkin. It was first released in the fall of 2004 as Jean-Paul Gaultier's debut collection for Hermes, hence the JPG. It was a reimagining of the classic Birkin, featuring longer, more tapered handles for over-the-shoulder wear. The original Shoulder Birkin came in a 42 centimeter size. In 2024, Hermes reintroduced the Shoulder Birkin with a modern twist, including a 29 centimeter version. This bag is known for its slouchy look, so it does have that slouchy design and silhouette, making it a more casual option for everyday wear. It's also known for its roomy interior, so this has lots of interior real estate, so you can fit quite a lot. I do have my cell phone here, so for reference, this is a iPhone 16 Pro, not the Pro Max. That is it inside the bag. Very large hair clip. You can see how that fits. So it fits quite a bit inside the bag. I will likely wear it open like this. I love the way this looks. I cannot get over the leather. The leather on this bag is just so perfect. I actually think it's much easier and durable than Togo leather for sure. It almost has like a coating to it, so it feels more protected. I'm gonna keep the stickers on the bottom because we're gonna be going away. Keep it on the bottom while we're traveling so I can bring this bag with me and not have to stress or worry about it as much. I do wish I had something to add a little pop of color, but I'm confident that with my new Pegasus, it'll give that supple pop that it needs. I think you guys should really watch my Hermes journey to see where it all started. This is now my second Quota bag. So that's it, guys. This is my Shoulder Birkin. Include your questions down below. I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. Anything you want me to review regarding this bag, any details you'd like, put them in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. I am so thrilled to have this bag in my collection. I've wanted this bag since the moment that I saw it. The first time I saw it, I just fell in absolute love, and I am just so honored and thrilled that I was offered this bag. All right, guys, I just had to share this with you. I am still in shock. I'm gonna go pinch myself. I cannot wait to style her and wear her with my dresses. I think Taupe is such a beautiful, perfect, neutral color, and she's just the right amount of casual yet elevated. She is the perfect combination for me, and I'm so thrilled that this was my second Quota bag option. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more about this bag, please comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video with me. Follow me on Instagram as well. DM me. I love when you guys reach out, even if it's just to say hello. For the next video you should watch, I'm going to include the start of my Hermes journey. So I'm going to include those two videos for you guys here. I hope you guys enjoy it, and until the next one, talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.